Hi, Paul from R&C here. We're going to do something different today. We're going to do an unbox. We're going to unbox the XTS143. This is the replacement for the very popular 142. People who know R&C know that one of our best-selling welders was the 142 small compact stick welder with scratch TIG function. So they've made some updates. They've reshaped it, put a new shell on it. We're going to have a look. Let's have a look. First thing I've noticed is how compact the outer packaging is. That obviously gives us a strong indication that the unit's very compact. XTS143 from Parweld. Remove this cardboard. So what we've got here, we've got a earth weld return cable with a quality clamp, quality spring crocodile clamp, and we've got the electrode holder on the small bins. And we've got the machine itself, which is incredibly compact. So we'll just put the box to the side for a second. So the first thing I've noticed is how compact it is. It is very small and it's very light. I think the weight is stated on the box. It's an incredible 2.7 kilograms. So we've got a 2.7 kilogram machine with a carry strap. First thing I'm thinking is this is awesome for people who are going to be going up scaffold rigs and things like that, or maybe across agricultural plains on a quad bike, things like that. Generator friendly, so it's compact. It'll run off a generator. That's ticking boxes for accessibility. We notice it's got one very simple control knob, so you know, plug and play. Let's keep it simple. Where do you want your amps? There we go. Question people always ask me about the 142, which I'm sure will be the same about the 143, is how it can't be very powerful if it's small. That's incorrect. It's an inverter. It pumps out incredible power for its size. It works brilliant with a 2.5 kilo rod. It'll even weld a 3.2 mile steel rod. First thing I noticed when I've used one of these small inverter machines is the smooth start. There's none of the rod sticking like you get with the old manual stick welders. So it's smooth, it's powerful, and it's lightweight. That ticks the boxes. It's generator friendly, and what else can I tell you? Oh, it comes with leads and clamps for stick welding, but it's also ready for scratch TIG welding. But that is an additional kit. Your torch kit is an additional purchase. We will be putting together some packages with the machine and the TIG torch. So there we go, we've unboxed the brand new XTS142. Hope you like it. For inquiries, email paul@rncomponents.co.uk. Thanks for watching, like and share.